Welcome everyone. What we're about to see right now is AI inside ThreaDs Max. With a program that has recently come out, by the way free, it is called TyDiffusion. And within this course we will study how generative AI is implemented within ThreaDs Max. In different modes. The advantage of this mode in ThreaDs Max is that we are inside the program. We will see how to download the resources. We will see how to generate the images directly within ThreaDs Max and how you can practically constrain what are there. Our scenes, because this is our scene present directly within the objects. And can obviously be a source of generations of images, and not only so, I look forward to seeing you. This course I will publish in the coming weeks, then other types of lessons, but there are already enough to understand how it works. Welcome to the new course.